In a world where grass never stops growing, where noisy, polluting machines dominate the field, where every cut means smoke, fuel, and endless maintenance, a new chapter begins. The Yeoman eM400, engineered with four-wheel drive, it takes on everything. Rough terrain, thick, tangled weeds, slopes that others fear. Nothing stands in its way. Compact in size, but a beast in performance. From wide-open landscapes to narrow garden paths, it adapts without hesitation. But power is only the beginning. The eM400 is all electric. No gas, no fumes, no noise. Whisper quiet, eco-friendly, and almost maintenance-free. Clean energy, clean performance, every single time. It doesn't just cut grass, it protects the future. And when the terrain gets tough, precision takes over. With differential steering, the eM400 does what others can't. It pivots on the spot, slides through tight corners, navigates obstacles with effortless control. Every movement sharp, accurate, unstoppable. This is not the mower you've seen before. This is not the mower of the past. This is the future. Powerful, flexible, eco-friendly, reliable. Built for homeowners, built for professionals, built for anyone who refuses to settle. The world of mowing has changed forever. The legend is here. Yeoman eM400. Revolutionize the way you cut grass.